Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of the most challenging riddles that are so difficult only an AI might have the best shot at solving them. Stay tuned for the answers at the end of each riddle. Let's get started. Riddle number 1. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body but I come alive with the wind. What am I? The answer is an echo. Riddle number 2. You're in a room with two doors. One leads to freedom, the other to death. Two guards stand before you. One always tells the truth and the other always lies. You can ask only one question to determine which door leads to freedom. What do you ask? Ask either guard which door would the other guard say leads to freedom, then choose the opposite door. Riddle number 3. A father tells his son, I will give you $1,000 if you can tell me exactly how much money I have in my pocket. If you guess wrong, you get nothing. The son knows the father has either $0, $500, or $1,000 in his pocket. What should the son guess? The son should guess $0. If he's right, he gets $1,000. If he's wrong, the father has $1,000 in his pocket and he still gets $1,000. Riddle number 4. In a room, there are 3 boxes. One contains gold, the other contains silver, and the last one contains bronze. Each box has a label, but all labels are incorrect. How do you determine which box contains which metal? By opening just one box. Brief pause. Open the box labeled gold. If it's incorrect, it will contain either silver or bronze. Use the process of elimination from there, knowing that all labels are wrong. Riddle number 5. In a library of infinite books, there exists one book that contains all other books. However, this book can only be found by reading another book that doesn't exist in the library. How do you find the book? This is a trick riddle. The book can't be found because the condition is paradoxical. It's a logical impossibility. Riddle number 6. You travel back in time and meet your grandfather before he met your grandmother. If you prevent their meeting, you would never be born, but then you wouldn't be able to travel back in time to prevent their meeting. How do you resolve this paradox? This is the classic grandfather paradox, which is a theoretical problem with no definitive solution within our current understanding of time travel. Riddle number 7. You have a coin that is quantumly entangled with another coin. When you flip your coin, it always shows heads. What does the other coin show and why? The other coin's result is unpredictable. Due to quantum entanglement, the state of the other coin can only be determined upon observation, but it's not directly correlated to your coin's outcome. Riddle number 8. 4 people need to cross a bridge at night. They have one flashlight and the bridge can only hold 2 people at a time. Each person walks at a different speed, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. When 2 people cross together, they must go at the slower person's pace. How do all 4 people get across in 17 minutes? First, 1 and 2 cross with the flashlight, which takes 2 minutes. Then 1 returns, taking 1 minute. Next, 5 and 10 cross, which takes 10 minutes, and then 2 returns, taking 2 minutes. Finally, 1 and 2 cross again, taking 2 minutes. The total time is 2 plus 1 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 17 minutes. Riddle number 9. 3 people are standing in a line and each can see the hats of the people in front of them but not their own hat or the hats behind them. Each person is wearing either a red or a blue hat. They're asked one by one what color hat they are wearing. The first person in line who can see the 2 hats in front says, "I don't know." The second person who can see 1 hat in front says, "I don't know." The third person who can't see any hats says, "I know." What color is the third person's hat? The third person's hat is blue. The first 2 people's uncertainty indicates they saw at least 1 blue hat ahead of them. Riddle number 10. A detective is trying to crack a code. 832514. The code is related to the English alphabet in some way. What is the code referring to? The code corresponds to the letters of the alphabet. 8H, 3C, 2B, 5E, 1A, 4D. The code spells heckback. Thanks for watching. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more brain-teasing content. See you next time.